As the night sky graces us with the powerful presence of the full moon on September 17th, we find ourselves at a unique cosmic crossroads. This isn't just any full moon. This is the harvest moon, a supermoon, and a partial lunar eclipse all rolled into one. Together, these events create a rare opportunity for manifestation, deep self-care, and spiritual alignment. The harvest moon closest to the autumnal equinox symbolizes abundance and fruition, a time to reflect on what we've manifested and to express gratitude. As a supermoon, it appears larger and brighter, amplifying our energies and intentions. And with the partial lunar eclipse, we are reminded to embrace and release what no longer serves us. Now is the perfect time to harness these powerful cosmic energies. Start with a manifestation ritual. Set the mood with candles and calming scents like lavender or sage. Write down your intentions as if they've already come true. Close your eyes, visualize your dreams, and feel the emotions of already living them. Finally, under the mystical light of the full moon, release your intentions to the universe and trust the process. Remember, self-care is just as important. After your ritual, indulge in a soothing bath with calming CBD bath salts from Black Lion Botanicals or practice grounding yoga to connect deeply with yourself. The universe meets us where we are. This September 17th, take this cosmic call to align with your highest self and manifest your deepest desires. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on manifestation and self-care. And remember to visit Black Lion Botanicals, your destination for all your self-care and spiritual needs. Let's continue this journey of growth and abundance together.